my name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. I really do appreciate it. So guys, let's just address the big elephant in the room. That's me. No, I'm kidding. It's actually where I'm at. So I'm not in my usual filming setup. I'm not in my room. I'm actually in the storage room down in my basement. Yeah. If you guys have me on Instagram, then you know that I was ranting about how I couldn't really film because of the noise in my house. I live in a Latino household, so yes, it gets very, very hard to film because my family is just loud. They're just naturally loud, and my walls are really paper thin, so it was just not working. It was frustrating me, and I was just like, no. So I actually spoke to Victoria, which is my friend here on YouTube, and she told me just get a corner in your storage room and just make it happen. And I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any like suggestions on cute backdrops and stuff like that, just let me know, because I'm definitely in the market to get a couple new ones so you guys aren't just staring at the same background for like 20 videos. So enough of me rambling, let's just get to the video. So for today's video, I'll be doing the May Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I've heard a couple things about this month's box. A lot of disappointing things. I feel like a lot of people are disappointed with Boxycharm recently, me included. So the first thing in this month's box is the insert card. I know that there was a couple of people who did not receive their insert card for Boxycharm this month, and that's really strange. Really strange. I got mine, thankfully, but a lot of people didn't get theirs. I don't know. But anyways, so the first thing in this month's box is this Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Now, I did use this. That's why it's out of the packaging. The little insert card says, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Okay, and this retails for $18. I'm just gonna leave this here in my little corner, just in case I need to remove any makeup and stuff like that. I'll have it here. The next thing in the box is the STUDIOMAKEUP Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $35, and it looks like this. So you guys know that I like shimmer. These shimmers in this palette is not all that, but it's definitely doable. I feel like my, one of my family members will definitely enjoy this, so I'm just gonna save it for them. The next thing in my box that I did use is this Trestique Cover and Conceal Crayon. Finally, you have an extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. So I did use this as a corrector. I have it under my foundation now, and I don't mind it. I'm just gonna have it for, my blemishes and maybe to clean up my eyebrows. This is how much product is in this tube. And it also has this little sponge, which I'm not really a fan of, but it's there if you need it. This retails for $24. Okay, so the next thing that I got in this month's box are these lashes, and they are from the brand Battingon Beauty. They're the Harlow 3D Silk Lashes with mini glue. Yeah. So I do have the lashes on. The only issue that I had with these lashes is that I didn't know what side to put them on. So they might be completely wrong. They might be applied really wrong, but it is what it is. I mean, I put glue on them and then I didn't put them in the right thingy and they just look the same to me. So... And then, last but not least, I did receive this Hollywood, California GLAMGLOW BERRYGLOW Probiotic Recovery Mask. And I haven't used this yet. No, I'm not going to do that. I think I'm gonna use this later on today, so I'll let you guys know my thoughts down in the description box. I believe that is all for this month's Boxycharm. Again, it was all right. I'm not over the moon happy about this box. I just hope that Boxycharm gets it together. I feel like with all the changes, it just kind of messed around with a lot of things. So I'm just like, let me add up the total value of this box, which is $157. So yeah guys, that completes this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.